Hello, good afternoon, students. In today's class, we shall discuss about 30 questions on the first chapter from Beehive, and its title is before you here on the screen. The fun they had. Children, as I told you, that we shall be revising for half yearly examinations and will prepare as many as chapters possible for the half yearly exams. The date sheets and the blueprints are there in the school application. You can download it. And for your kind information, let me tell you that voice in grammar is not coming. In literature, there are two chapters which shall not come in examination, and it is also mentioned in the blueprint that I have uploaded there in school applications. So please go through it keenly. I hope you will come to know what sort of chapters coming in the examination. Whatever we have discussed will come, but the Ishwaran, the storyteller, is not coming, and the Lake Isle of Innisfree, this poem is not coming, and voice is not coming. These are the things which are not coming in the test. Otherwise, whatever we have discussed shall come. Okay, and if anything different appears before us, we shall discuss further. Children, in this class, we shall be discussing the fun they had. So let us do this. Let me show you the questions, and you must write the question number somewhere and the option that you find correct. Okay, so please go through it, and I will scroll the pages within 2 to 3 minutes. And in the way we shall be doing 30 questions today. Your time starts now. Go through the questions, read the question carefully, and then make your choice. I think you would have done. Now I'm going to scroll the page, and if you want to know the answer would be the future world where computers will play a major role. There, the question is, to which world does a story take the readers to? So D option is correct. Okay. Next, the question is before you. Go through it. And in KP applications, means Knowledge Park application, there the materials are not uploaded. Soon all the materials, means videos and PDFs documents, would be uploaded, and there the students from KP Knowledge Park will also be able to download and read the materials. So have patience, never bother about the things, but do attend the class, and try to solve the questions as soon as possible so that we may do as many as possible questions. So what is virtual reality? And the answer should be here: imaginary world, reality created by computer software, So this is real. The so option is correct here to my mind. Okay. Imaginary world is also correct, but here reality is created, tried to create. Their reality is uh, tried to present you by computer software. So this C option is correct. Okay. Now go through this question. Now see children, this question, what is a virtual classroom? So virtual means something which is not real. Okay. So something which is not real. The question is, what is a virtual classroom? So their classroom outside classes, no. Class in the garden, no. Class in the field, no. Where learning uh, done is through computer software and internet. So here, this is the virtual classroom. Means classroom is created as this is what we are doing now is virtual classroom. There is no physical classes where we are sitting. There is no school, physical school where you and I'm present. Nothing is like that. So this is virtual. So how this coincidence is that exactly what we are doing now we are studying about. Okay, exactly what we are doing now is something that we are studying in this story. What a coincidence for us is. So I think that students of class 9th can better understand this time what they are doing is the same for them to read in the fun they had. So D option is correct. Next for you is this. Read this. What is a debate? So here, what is a debate? A contest to show ability in argument between two people can be contest to fight, contest to prove better, none. So here I think that the contest to show ability in argument, A option, I think is this is the first, the best option. The first one is. Next is fifth question for you. Go through it. Who is the main character of the story? Parents, children, Margie, Tommy. What do you think, students? So the answer is children. Okay, because Margie and Tommy both were the main characters and both are children. So their children is the right option. Next, go through this. How old is Margie? That I don't know. How old is Margie? You will have to see whether Margie is 11-year old or what. Okay. Next question is, which year has the story been seen in? That's fantastic. I can help you. 17th May dash dash dash. Children do learn the age of Margie and Tommy. This may also come in exam. Which year has the story been set in? 2057, 1957, 2157, 2257. So I think that this is the correct option, C. Next is eighth. Who is the author of this lesson? Charles Dickens, Isaac Asimov, Milton, none. All are famous writers. I think that children, they we do not have any story in the text written by Charles Dickens. We do not have any story written by Milton. He is John Milton, in fact, a famous writer in English literature. And this is the option. So sometime when you do not know the right answer, you may see the other options and find its credibility. If you think that it is making any sense, so there it's okay. Otherwise, if it is not making sense, your answer is quite before you. So in the way you can check the answers. Okay. Next is question number 9. Who are Margie and Tommy? Well, it is not shown in the story clearly whether they are cousins, brother, sister, friends, neighbors, but it is taken by us after reading the story that they might be brother and sister. Brother and sister. If you think that they might be some having some other relations, so you please see the story once again, find the paragraphs once again, and check what can be the possible option for this question. Okay, now let me show you some other questions. Here B can be the right option. Okay, next is how old Tommy is. Just we were talking about age of Margie. Now here the question is about how old is Tommy. You know, well, I don't know, you must know. Okay, you find the answers, these are important. Previous question on the age of this, how old Margie is. And now here, how old is Tommy? So you must find, well, I'm not sure about it, so I will not suggest to you. You can see the later, means after the class, the answers are given. So you can see the exact answer, okay? Next question for you is A, 11th. Children here, what did Tommy find? The question is very simple for you, and the answer is an old book with yellow crinkly pages. Crinkly means which is quite stiff and so stiff like wafers that as you bend it, it starts breaking because of its quality, which reduces, and it becomes so hard that when you break it, it breaks like wafer. When you turn it, the pages, it breaks like wafers. So this first option is the most possible answer. Children, there can be many answers correct to your mind, but you need to find the most possible, the closest to the answer. That option is to be found. Okay. Now, next is 12th. Go through this. Very simple. Yes, it's very simple. If you remember that where the book was found, so you will tick the third option, C. Go through this. What was strange about the book for Margie? Its title, its pages, its still words printed on page, its color. What is the right answer, children? Well, I think that if you remember, you will come to know that Margie and Tommy both were surprised to see that the contents written on the book were still, STI, means still means not moving here, fixed. So they were surprised about it. So here the third option is correct. It's still words printed on page. Still words means fixed, which were not moving. Next question for you is here, number 14. Very much, very much clear to you that they were taught by a mechanical robotic teacher, or a robot teacher is written. What is a tally book? An e-book, an electronic book, book stored in a computer. What is tally book? I think D option is the correct option. 16th. Where was Margie's school? In village, in the city outskirts. Outskirts means outside area, outer area. If you have traveled through train, you would have seen sometime the trains are stopped before the platform. So it is said outer of the platform. In the same way, the outskirts means the area, whatever you are talking about. So you are out of that area, out of the boundary. So they, it is called outskirts. Means outskirts of the city means out of the city, nearby, not at long distance, but just outside the city. So here, in her own house, where was Margie's school? In a room in her house where computer was set up. So C option is also correct. D option is also correct. But D is most appropriate answer for us. So we shall go for D. Okay. In a room in her house where a computer was set up. So this is the most appropriate answer. Next is 17th. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Be careful, children, about the question. A, they are asking about Margie and Tommy, both. Be careful. Uh, Children, when we are discussing these things, when we are doing these things, you can have your textbook open with you so that you may immediately find the real answer, the correct answer. Okay, there is no harm in opening the textbook because we are discussing these things. This is practice session. Okay, this is not your final exams. I will also provide some questions which you can practice without textbooks, but for now you can open the textbook and try to find the correct answer. Whatever correct answer you will find will retain in your mind, and if it comes in examination you will 100% do the correct answer. Okay, so here D option is the correct one. Next is 18. Go through this. So the question is, where did Tommy and Margie read various books from? So the answer is here with these options. Let us go. In the library? No, they were not in library. In school? No, they were not in school. On a computer screen? Let us see. The next option is none. The question is, where did Margie and Tommy read various books from? I think that this is the most appropriate answer because they were not going any library, not any school. School was there in their home, and they were reading everything on the screen, computer screen. So this is the right option. Next is 19. 19th. Let us see who went to real school. If there would be any option I, you all would have selected that one, but there is no option I. So find out. Margie, Tommy, teachers, Margie and Tommy's ancestors. Ancestors means your parents of your parents. Okay? Parents of your parents, grandparents, great grandparents. So they are called ancestors. Okay? Children here, Margie and Tommy's ancestors. This is the right option. Next is 20. Go through this. Who was regular teacher? Who taught the lessons? Human teacher, computer teacher, who teaches? God knows. Mechanical robot teacher who teaches Margie and Tommy. So, who was the real teacher who taught lessons? So, the correct option here is who was the real teacher who taught the lessons. So, for them, D option is the correct here. Mechanical robot is the right option for them. Next is, with whom is the mechanical teacher contrasted with? Can you find the answer? With whom is the mechanical teacher contrasted? Where repetition is there, this is wrong. Okay, this preposition is not required, is wrong. And children, for your kind information, this is not to be written in any notebook. Students very many a time bother about it and ask me, sir, where to write this, whether it is to be written in the notebook. These practice sessions are to practice only. Nothing is to be written in the fair notebook. Okay, whatever you have maintained in the notebook, it is sufficient. You are supposed to write the vignette in the notebooks. If vignette is lengthy, you can cut it short in your way. There is no harm. Just write down the important portions. Vignette is for your help. Whatever help you want to take out from that vignette, it is up to you. You may write 2 lines, you may write 4 lines, you may write 6 lines, you may write everything. Okay, but through my side, the most important aspects should be written. Okay, next is word meanings. As I told you, 10 word meanings, any 10 word meanings, and then you will write the questions and answers. Okay, and in questions and answers, I have given you in supplement, means many answers and questions. So you can write only the important questions and answers, or any five, or any 6 or 7 questions and answers. Okay, if the answers are very easy, 2 or 3 lines, you can write down 10 answers. There is no harm. If the answers are long in some of the chapters, you can write 4 or 5 questions and answers. So never bother about what to write, how many questions are to write. Okay, you are now in class ninth. You must understand. Okay, make your understanding, develop your understanding yourself. Okay, there is no limitations like you all will have to write 20 question answers. There is nothing like that. Okay, since we are not there in the school, otherwise there would we would have set some other rules. But since we are here and not able to correct your notebooks now, I hope in future I would be able to correct your notebooks. Soon we shall be there in the school. But this is a matter of future. But I would like to tell you that you make your sense that this is my capability and I can do this. At least minimum number of questions and answers what are to be done are always shown in the PDF. So when you ask this, I think that you do not go through the PDFs carefully. Okay, take care of this. So children, we were discussing this. The next question is, yeah, the answer is, with whom is the mechanical teacher contrasted? With whom is the mechanical teacher contrasted with? This question is not framed properly. All right, here with the human teachers. The mechanical teachers are contrasted with human teachers. This is the right option. Why did Margie's mother call the county inspector? So you know very well. Go through this. Why did Margie's mother call the county inspector? Was there any leakage? Was it any picture? No. To talk to Margie? No. To talk to Tommy? No. To check the fault in Margie's teacher in geography section. Margie was not getting good marks. She was not able to score good marks. So she was not getting interest in her studies because she was not getting good marks, and her performance was deteriorating, reducing day after day, because her computer was set to higher level of her age. Okay, that is why her mother decided to call county inspector, and he set the geography section to her level. Okay, next is, in which subject was Margie failing repeatedly? Do you know? Yes, D option is correct. Geography sector. I hope you are attending your geography classes and never getting any result like Margie. 24th, what did county inspector do to help Margie? He rested the teacher to Margie's level, he reset the teacher to Margie's level, to change the module, change the teacher, change the syllabus. The first option is the correct option. And when he came, he patted on her head, and touched her head, and gave her a fruit, an apple. Okay, and there Margie was thinking that the county inspector will take her computer away, as it was taken away by other county inspector when his brother's history section was blank. So she was happy, but it was soon repaired and it was not taken anyway. Next question is, the section of which subject was completely deleted from Tommy's computer? Just I told you history section. B. How much time was taken to repair Tommy's teacher? 1 month. If I am wrong, please correct it. Okay. On your own. Next is children. We have three questions more only. Why did Margie hate school? You know very well. This is very important question. Why she was not in mood to go to school, or she did not like? So because of mechanical work, no fun was there, no new things, all. So all this all can be the answer. But here, no fun is the best answer. But here, I think that better than this, D option is correct. Okay. What was the difficult difference between old schools and the modern schools? So old schools had many friends, and modern schools has no friends, fellows, means friends. Old schools had human teachers, and modern schools had robots. It is also correct. Old schools had playgrounds, and modern schools had only computers. It is also correct. So D option is, I think that this option is the most appropriate answer. Did Margie have fixed hours for study? Yes. Studied off and on. Yes, it was. Yes, she had fixed time and hours daily. So I think that C option is the correct option. And the last question for today is, why did Margie find the schools? Why did Margie find the schools, old schools, interesting? Because of the fun, because of the human teachers, because of many friends. So I think that D option again is the correct option. So children, that's all in today's class. In next class, we shall start second chapter, next chapter, and do the questions and answers in the same way. And finally, when we shall complete all the questions and answers, we shall discuss the vignettes and some important aspects from the chapter before the examinations, if possible. Okay, so that's all in today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.